Hey, I'm not going to show you 10 different ways to fix this. There are honestly a lot of methods out there. Instead, I'm going to show you the one that actually worked for me after spending way too much time trying different fixes. Except for this PC. But don't worry about that one. We'll fix it together at the end of the video.
Open Command Prompt as administrator. Then copy the first command I've put in the description and paste it into CMD. Hit Enter. Give it a few seconds, and then press Enter one more time. After that, restart your computer. For about 99% of people, that should fix the problem right away. If your icons still aren't back, don't panic. Open Command Prompt again as administrator and run the second command I've included in the description. Then restart your PC one more time. I tried a bunch of different fixes before this, and honestly, most of them didn't do anything for me. But this method was the one that finally worked. Now, when it comes to this PC, I spent quite a bit of time trying to get the original icon back, but no matter what I did, it just wouldn't cooperate. So instead of wasting more time on it, I went with a simple workaround. I created a shortcut for this PC. Then I opened the shortcut's properties, clicked Change Icon, and replaced it with the exact original This PC icon. And that's it. Takes less than a minute, and honestly, it looks exactly the same. If you try this method, let me know down in the comments whether it worked for you or not. From my experience, I honestly think this should work for most of you. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.